10 crew secrets only crew members know they're not allowed to tell you. What if I told you there's an entire world on cruise ships, hidden from passengers? The crew calls it below deck. And it's not just cabins and kitchens. It's something much stranger. Number 10. The secret crew bar. Passengers have no idea that beneath the grand ballrooms and pool decks lies a completely hidden bar made only for crew members. It's cheaper, smaller, and sometimes wilder than any guest party upstairs. Crew staff say it's where friendships form, secrets are traded, and rules are bent. Cameras are banned, and outsiders aren't allowed. Ever. Number 9. Hidden cabins beneath Deck 0. You've heard of Deck 1, maybe even Deck 0, but below that, there's Deck A, a level that doesn't appear on any passenger map. It's where lower-ranking crews sleep in tiny, windowless rooms stacked like storage lockers. It's one of the most secret parts of the ship, and most passengers don't even realize it exists. Number 8. The code words you're not supposed to hear. Crew members never shout "fire" or "man overboard." Instead, they use secret codes so passengers don't panic. For example, Code Alpha means a medical emergency. Code Oscar means someone fell overboard. And Operation Rising Star means a VIP is on board. If you ever hear the crew speaking calmly in code, something serious might be happening nearby. Number 7. The morgue and the freezer room. Yes, it's true. Every large cruise ship carries a morgue. Crew members quietly handle deaths at sea, which happen more often than you'd think. The morgue can store several bodies until the ship reaches land. They also have a separate freezer area for food that must never mix with that section, for obvious reasons. Crew are told never to talk about this to passengers. Number 6. Crew romance rules and the secret couples. Cruise lines officially forbid relationships between staff and passengers, but that doesn't mean it doesn't happen. Crew call it the love deck, secret spots where couples meet away from cameras. Caught once, you're warned. Twice, and you're off the ship. Contract terminated. Still, stories of forbidden romance travel faster than the ship itself. Number 5. The 3-minute rule. Crew members are trained never to talk to passengers for more than 3 minutes unless it's part of their job. Why? Because long conversations can lead to complaints, friendships, or worse, secret slipping out. So that friendly waiter who seems in a rush to leave? It's not rudeness, it's policy. Number 4. The secret passenger blacklist. Every cruise line has a private database of banned passengers, people who caused fights, stole, or even jumped ship mid-voyage. Crew quietly share the list before each trip. If you ever feel like the staff are watching you a bit too closely, there's a reason. Number 2. The hidden cameras you'll never notice. Cruise ships have thousands of security cameras, far more than most passengers realize. But some are invisible, hidden in fake mirrors or ceiling vents. The crew can't discuss where they're placed, but one ex-officer revealed, "You're almost never off camera, even when you think you are." Number 1. The secret behind crew smiles. This one's not a rule, but a truth they're told never to admit. Crew are trained to smile, no matter what. Even during emergencies, even after 14-hour shifts, even when they're seasick. The smiles are part of the illusion, the floating paradise. Behind those smiles are people working in invisible worlds, keeping that dream alive for everyone else. So the next time you're walking along the upper deck, watching the ocean stretch endlessly around you, remember this: beneath your feet, hundreds of crew are living a completely different reality. One filled with codes, secrets, and unspoken rules that make your dream vacation possible. If you enjoyed discovering these hidden truths, make sure to subscribe to Portside Secrets, where we bring you the stories cruise lines don't want you to know. And tell me in the comments which secret shocked you the most. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon and your curiosity alive.